Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna, and Sissy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. But if that mockingbird don't sing, Sissy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. But if that diamond ring turns brass, Sissy's gonna buy you a looking glass. But if that looking glass gets broke, Mom's gonna buy you a billy goat. But if that billy goat runs away, Mama says he will buy you another someday.